Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to reset your Ford Mustang's oil change light. First, turn your ignition to the on position without starting the engine. Next, use the controls on your steering wheel to navigate to the main menu on your instrument cluster display. Look for the Settings or Vehicle menu to proceed with the reset process. Once in the Settings menu, scroll through the options until you find Oil Life Reset or a similar maintenance item. Select this option to confirm. Your display will then show the current oil life percentage, which is likely low, indicating it's time for a reset after your oil change. To perform the reset, press and hold the OK button on your steering wheel. Keep holding it down until the oil life display changes to 100%. This usually takes a few seconds. Once it shows 100%, you can release the button and the reset is complete. After releasing the button, turn your ignition completely off, then turn it back on to confirm the reset. Navigate back to the oil life display to ensure it now reads 100%. Congratulations! Your Ford Mustang's oil change reminder has been successfully reset, and you're ready for many more miles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.